Hey everyone, so this is going to be a session for lifting hooded eyes or just simply making our eyes brighter and more wide and open, all right? So we're gonna do about 7 or 8 exercises on both sides, and of course we're going to start with making the breath and the posture absolutely conscious, and later I want to add also some eye exercises and just eye trainings, because this is the way I practice face yoga, and this is partly why it's holistic face yoga for me, that I use these exercises, I use my face yoga exercises to make my posture, make my breathing even more conscious, and as well to include some eye training as well, because actually we really need it, especially now with all the screen watching and everything. So the exercising of the eyes and all, and just working around the eyes, making the eyes less stressed, and just all the bad like blue eye light energy that that bombards our eyes all the time. So it's like very important to work with the eyes. All right, so first what we're gonna do is that we're just gonna grab our hair, and just do like, you grab a piece of hair and you do like these circles, you do like a circling movement, so not like like pulling your hair too much, but you just give a nice circular massage. So you pull, grab like a bunch of hair, and you pull and you circle as well, and it should feel actually very, very amazing. So don't forget to work with the hairs at the temple and just at the edge of the forehead. All right, so now with the posture, now I just wanted to just have some life coming into our scalps. So do the posture. So it's very good to always just like do a couple of movements, a couple of circular movements, like do a nice big circle with your shoulders, and then keep your shoulders down and back. So it's always like down and back, and the sternum up. All right, and of course the breathing just becomes very conscious when we do this. And like my original profession is a personal trainer, yoga instructor, stretch, massage, breathing. So that's what I do mostly for the past 16 years. So I'm very heavy on the breath and making the breath conscious as well, and just deep breathing, deep belly breaths too. So and what we're gonna do now is, first we're gonna do like a 2 hands exercise, so both eyes at the same time. So you're going to get the root of your palms, both palms, and I'm just have some stuff on here, sorry, and you're just going to put the roots of your palms under your eyebrows, and you're going to slowly and gently start to pull it up. All right, so just slowly and gently start to pull it up. So you're gonna cover the entirety of your eyebrow area, and you push. So you like push in as well. You push in towards the bone too, and then pull upwards. So you push and you pull upwards too, not too much. This should also feel very good. And then you either close your eyes if you just want to rest them a little bit, or you look down to work your eye muscle, and then you pull yourself out. Pay attention to your posture, and take deep calming breaths. Now, after this one, we're going to hold our eyes again, a both hands exercise. We're gonna hold our eyes, and we're just gonna push the edges, the corners of our eyes. You're gonna rest your thumb here at the edge of your jaw. This should also feel good. You can also like do some circling massage here. And now as well, just a little eye training, eye exercise. So our eye muscles are getting stretched a little bit. So you look up, and you can look just simply up, or you can just a little bit like look towards in the middle and look up, and you keep pressing the corners of the eyes, and you can give some circular massages both with your thumbs and your fingertips, holding the corners of your eyes. Again, you pay attention to the posture. Remember not to collapse. Imagine your spine is this whole straight, long line, long vertical line. And that's it. The next one. So you're going to hold one of your eyebrows from above, and you're going to pull up your eyebrows just a little, and you're going to have two of your fingers. You're going to start in the middle. You're going to start right at the beginning of your eyebrow, and you do very nice, very small circular movement, just very small ones, and you go all the way out slowly. We have a minute for each of the eyebrows, so just very slowly. And this in and of itself can be very smoothing, very relaxing, because like I said, our eyes are full of stress. All our senses are full of stress, especially for the city, in people in the city life. And here you have lots of marma points, lots of acupuncture points, like all over your body and face especially. So always make conscious that you're also working on your health too. You're doing a lot for your health as well, not just your outside beauty, okay? So this is a health massage, a health and the beauty massage. Alright, so the next one, again, the opposite hand holds the eyebrow. You push the fingers in above your eyebrow and then lift a little. Again, you have the index and the middle finger, and just under the eyebrow, where you don't have hair anymore, like under the eyebrow, you just go all the way. Maybe you find a point that feels especially good, especially around the root of the eyebrow, or just feel it out. Just feel it out for yourself. When your posture starts to collapse, just like mine does, then you remind yourself to make a little effort to sit up more straight, sternum forward, chest radiating forward, and then you go all the way out to the edge of the outer edge of the eyebrow. Alright? So next one. When you so I just got confused. Yeah. Okay, so next one. And now I would like you to have your fingers flat. So fingers flat, fingers together. And what we're gonna do here, there's like this circular big eye muscle, and we're gonna work the outer edge of it. It means that here you're gonna do like pulling apart, so you can circle as well, and then also pull apart, so you can keep changing these two basic movements. You do a little circulation. Actually, you can also add a little bit of vibration, like very tiny shaking movements just to refresh on this area, but also do the pulling apart, like pull apart a little bit. So circular motion, just to loosen up the stuck muscles. Come closer to the temporalis muscle here. That's like a big nice shell on the sides of both of your ears or your head, and like pull apart. So you fingers flat, pulling apart here, this area. Also doing some circular movements if it feels good. All right, so let's do the same with the other one. So here again, flat fingers, flat, covering this area, and you pull apart. Pay attention to what area feels good. There's always these delicious sweet spots for everyone's body that's just extremely good, that you feel like, oh my god, I could take this for like an hour. So find those spots, make some little circle, making deep and slow, You can do some vibration too here, but the point would be is to really smoothen out this outer eye area, all right? Okay, next one. It's going to feel delicious too. So you're gonna have your pinching little fingers with the thumb and the index finger, and both hands, both fingers, we're going to work one eyebrow, and you're going to just pinch on the eyebrow, on the beginning of the eyebrow, and you're going to do very small circular movements in both directions. And then you move out just like a 0.5 centimeter, just like half a centimeter out, and you really pinch strong. Of course, don't cause yourself pain, but really just make sure the eyebrow is not like stuck and flattened on the bone. And then when you reached all the way out with this, then you're gonna hold the beginning of the eyebrow with the opposite hand, and then the other one will just pull it out. So you're just gonna pull it out. It should feel very good, this one. And then the same on the neck, on the other side. So first, pinch the beginning of the eyebrow, and you can also, you like pull it away from the bone and then do the circle. So now you are not pushing it in, but you're pulling it out. Watch out for the posture again. Keep breathing out, nice long exhalations. So anytime a sigh, just a release comes out of you, just allow yourself to do that. A strong stress releasing exhalation actually contains toxins that we keep stored in ourselves. So conscious breathing and conscious exhalation especially is very soothing and detoxifying for the nervous system, all right? So now, again, we're gonna do the finishing touch. You're gonna pinch the root of the eyebrow with the opposite finger, hand's fingers, and then you're just gonna smooth out the entire, wow. So what I also wanted to do, just one more thing, because it is delicious and it's very good for also lifting this part of the eyebrow, is that you're gonna hold the bottom of the eyebrow with the same hand, and then you're gonna have the opposite hand coming, and you're gonna do these stringing, pulling, like motions with the finger when you're just like rhythmically, interchangeably pull and string your fingers, and you're pushing in with this with this hand. You're also like pushing up, and then the other hand allows or helps the muscles in this area to loosen up the stuck muscles and the muscles that are glued to the scalp, sort of. Okay, so the same thing on the other side. So you're gonna push in first and then pull up, or push up. So first you push in and then push up, and then this is actually something that I love so much. Like I always do this every night. I can't go sleep without this every night. So I just really grew to love this one because it just feels very refreshing, and I feel like it opens my eyes out. So that was it for today, and remember, posture, breathing, long exhalations. So this way you add another extra layers for your face yoga practice. It becomes more than just a beauty practice, but it becomes really like a holistic health practice, face yoga. So just use what you can, add the other layers to work your eye muscles as well, so you can benefit much more than just the simple stuff. So if you like this video and if you have anything to say or share, just leave a comment and push a subscribe. And also I recorded a 6-part video series. It's like a small class or a small presentation on what holistic face yoga is truly, and how we can benefit out of this much more than than just, you know, the surface level, and you can download it. It's in the description and it's in the comments as well. All right, so yeah, see you at the next practice.